Narayana's dedication to educational excellence has resulted in remarkable growth.
Academically, Narayana students consistently secure top ranks in national and international Olympiads, CBSE and SSC board exams, IIT and NEET competitive exams.
Our students shine in co-curricular and extracurricular arenas as well, like sports for example, where Narayanites are excelling at national level triple jump as well as international events like karate, sister ball, etc. Recently, a young Narayanite got his name into the Guinness Book of World Records for solving rotating puzzle cubes and simultaneously performing multiple activities. These achievements exemplify our dedication to nurturing talent in every domain, ensuring our students excel not just academically but in all aspects of life.
Our dreams are our dreams.